8,000%. Well, that's what a American wealth advisor is saying about XRP. Are they the new Apple stock? Well, this is going to be a great time to talk about this because I had a lot of people commenting on my channel in recent XRP videos and talking about what is the purpose then of investing in XRP. What is the plan? Why are we doing it? If it's just going to be such an institutional led crypto and it needs kind of the support of the entire crypto market, but we're still stuck kind of just churning water right now, treading water, I should say, at these levels that we're currently trading at. And everybody's frustrated, and people want to know why are they even invested in XRP? That's a very good question. Yes, they're doing all what we all know about cross-border digital payments, but when it comes down to it, guys, you're investing in XRP because of that kind of vision. Not necessarily right now. You're not going to be able to use it. You're not going to be able to transact. It's more so that vision. So I think a lot of people are just getting a little bit on edge, a little bit leery. What are they doing? Why do they hold XRP? That's a very good question to ask yourself. Quite frankly, you probably could do that with every single crypto in the market. At some point or time or another. So that's how I feel about it. I did answer that question yesterday to a lot of people. A lot of people don't trust Ripple up until this point in time. And it's something where I want to talk about this because maybe you don't need to know how to answer that question, but what we can do is we can look at certain people and such as this wealth advisor out there that's saying XRP is the next and new Apple stock. So, that might answer your question for you. But let's get into it. As always, guys, appreciate you watching me here. Talk XRP and all your favorite cryptos every single day. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. Smash that like button. And as always, let me know your thoughts on this matter. I am going to get into these comments. XRP, we'll take a quick dive into the chart. It is down roughly at that 43 cents level. Okay, so XRP down a couple percent on the day. And as we look further into what we're doing in July, forgive me for drawing a couple of these. I was doing some numbers last night looking in the XRP's chart. So let me clear this for you guys, but it shouldn't really get in your way, so I'll just leave it. But this is kind of where we look at XRP and where we're at on the chart. And I guess I'll kind of share with you guys what I was doing. But, I zoomed out and I kind of looked at it from a perspective back in where this legal trouble all started back in 2022. Kind of where we got into the real security commodity debate and SEC was getting live. I know XRP has been in the courtroom for longer, but that's really when that witch hunt kind of all started across the board, not just within Ripple, okay, and what their business doings were. But we are still, from that day, and I tell people a lot in this video, we are still on an ascending pattern. You can see this bottom blue line really starting to ramp up. I know it's nothing like a meme coin, but all things considered, from levels of about 30 cents to 43 cents. So just a tick above 25%. So over a 2-year period, I'll take that twice on Sunday, all day. So that's kind of where I'm at. And I think a lot of people need to look at this and look at this graphic because over this 2-year time period, that's still outperformed basically the vast majority of any other investment vehicle out there in the market. Okay, with the exception of a crazy real estate deal or a meme coin or some kind of a lucrative private investment, or if you took a flyer on pharmaceuticals. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't talk about stocks. This is not financial advice, but this is just my thoughts on this. This is just something I wanted to share with you guys because a lot of people, I think, that lose faith in XRP. They lose kind of perception of what it's actually done over a 2-year time period. So, yeah, it's not that fast Ferrari that's just going to 10x, 100x tomorrow, but it has had some merit over the last 2 years. So I think I wanted to just share that with you guys so you guys keep that all in mind. But this is where we look at, a U.S.-based wealth advisor talking about XRP could be seen as the new Apple stock. All right. That's something where you look into a post, it draws attention to Apple's historical trajectory, kind of like how I did, different purposes, but that's where Apple's been bullish in the last couple of weeks, opposing the bearish volatility in the crypto scene. And that's kind of what we've seen with XRP a little bit. But frankly, I think that's just because there's not enough trading volume. Nobody wants to sell it. Nobody wants to buy it, regardless of what the news is in this time period. Okay. But that's kind of where we look at this post. XRP is the new Apple stock. This is kind of maybe a joking post, but the argument is that investors can similarly hold XRP and expect significant gains without overcomplicating their strategy. You just believe in the future. You know that XRP is building something. You know it's not here yet, but you just trust the process and know that one day that could be worth trillions of dollars as XRP adoption grows. Okay, XRP has increased 8.5% over 5 years. And that's way below the returns for Apple holders. So, if you want to talk about it that way, yes, if you were holding Apple for 5 years, you've done a lot better than you have if you were holding XRP. So, but there's other people out there like Panos Mekris asserting that investing in XRP has more upside than Apple, Amazon, and Netflix stocks. So, viewing it as a leg up on the fangs and whatnot, that's very interesting. A little bit, they share a little bit of volatility, but overall, I think that's something where we look at XRP versus other crypto. I think you kind of get that narrative, right? You understand why it's different. We're just kind of hoping for it to happen. And that's why I wanted to go back 2 years, show you guys that historical pattern, because you get these kind of misleading articles where somebody out there is saying, okay, XRP is going to be the new Apple. Well, Apple's absolutely exploded. Maybe if you were an early on adopter of XRP, sure, yeah, but you can't really deny the run that Apple's been on since the 90s to now. So that's kind of where you have to really put in perspective XRP's future. I think that once they get out of the courthouse, I think this is where all bets are off. I'm very bullish on XRP. Just wanted to share with you guys kind of where everybody else is at, because if you agree with some of these wealth advisors saying that 8,000% is in the cards for XRP, then yeah, that's a quick 80-1 that you guys have been sitting on, by just holding XRP. So whether it's not it's the next Apple, I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. I just wanted to share with you guys some of these analysts that do think that it can outperform Apple. So kind of where I'm at on this Monday. I hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll continue to cover XRP and all your favorite cryptos right here on the channel. So make sure you guys all subscribe for more down below. Also, check out the sponsor links in the description if you want to get started with Margex, enjoy some leverage trading. Also, my trading indicator, that is also available down in the description. So appreciate you guys. We'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.